Hello children. So welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Today from mathematics subject, linear equations in one variable topic we are going to learn. So linear equation. So first we have to understand what is a equation. What is an equation? So equation means it's a statement. It's a statement of equality. It's a statement of equality. So which contains one or more unknown quantities. The name of unknown quantity here it is variable or literal. Variable or literal. About this variable and all you have learned in earlier classes in algebraic expressions or equations, that lesson. So here unknown quantity, so means a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantity, which is called as variable or literal, is called an equation. For example, 3x plus 7 equal to 12. Here they have given 3x plus 7 equals to 12. So here, as we have equality sign here, we have equality sign. First one is it's a statement. It's a mathematical statement. Second one is it is having equal sign. So it is a equality. And it is having one unknown quantity. It is having one unknown quantity which is x. Means it is having a variable x. So this, the given statement can be called as we call it as an equation. It can be considered as an equation because it is a statement which is an equality which consists of an unknown value. So it can be considered as an equation. In the same way, if you observe this other example, 5 by 2. 5 by 2x minus 9 equals to 1. Equality is there. Unknown quantity is there. It is also an equation. X square plus 1 equal to 5. Equation. X by 3 plus 5 equal to x by 2 minus 3. Equation. So this, how many equations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total, in example 1, we have 4 equations. But all equations are consisting of only one variable, which is x. Here also x is there, here also x, here also x, here also x. Means they are all having only one unknown value, which is x. One unknown value, which is x. So equation in variable, equation in one variable. What is that one variable? X. So these are the examples of equations in one variable, which is x. Sometimes we can have equations like this. 2x plus 3y equals to 15. So equality is there. Unknown value x is there. Unknown value y is there. So it is an equation. But here unknown values 2 are there. In one equation, we are having two variables. So it is an example of equation in two variables. What are that variables? X and y. This second example also. This second one also. 7x minus y by 3 equals to 3. It is an equation in two variables x and y. So like this we can define equation and we can take different examples for equation. So next. So linear equation. Here linear equation means an equation involving only linear polynomials is called linear equation. Means it should be an equation, but it should consist of only linear polynomial. linear polynomial. Linear polynomials means it contains some terms, 3x plus 4 equals to 5, like that, or 3x plus 4. It's a linear polynomial. Y means highest degree. Here x power 1 is there. Here there is no x, means x power 0 we can take. Out of these two terms, what is the highest power? 1. Means if in an expression, if the highest power is 1, which is called degree, which is called, 1 minute, which is called degree. Here degree means highest power of the variable. So in 3x plus 4, what is the highest power of the variable? 1. So what is its degree? 1. If the degree is 1, that expression is called as an linear polynomial. So it is 3x plus 4 is linear polynomial. But now here linear equation they are asking. So linear equation means it is an equation in which is involving linear polynomial. Means the equation which contains linear polynomials is called linear equation. Suppose if you observe this example, 3x minus 2 equals to 7. As we have equality, it is an equation. Here 3x minus 2, highest degree is 1. It's a linear polynomial. Means it is an equation having linear polynomial. So 3x minus 2 equals to 7 can be considered as linear equation. Linear equation. In the same way, this one also. Highest power is 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Equals to 1 by 2 given. That's why it is an equation. Which equation? Linear equation. Means equation containing linear polynomial. So linear equation in x we can tell, because we have the variable x here. Whereas if you see this example, this third example, so this, in this, if we simplify, we will get 4y minus 3y. Means here we can simplify 4 into y, 4y, plus 3 into y, 3y, minus 3 into 2, 6, 3 4 times 12, 12 5 times 60. Directly we can write 4y plus 3y, 7y. Minus 6 goes outside, means 66. So 7y. What is the power here? Highest power. Highest power in 7y, 1 only. So it's a linear polynomial. 7y equal to 66 is there. So it's a linear equation. So these three are linear equations in one variable. The first two equations, x is the one variable. In third equation, y is the variable. Y means in 3 examples, highest power of the variable in each equation is 1. So they are all linear equations. Whereas if you take this equation, 3x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. What is the highest power here? 1. So this is not linear equation. Y square minus 1 equal to 8. Highest power 2. This is also not linear equation. These two are not linear equations, because the highest power of the variable in each equation is not 1. It is 2. Is not 1. It is 2. So that's why they are not linear equations. Okay, children. So linear equation means the equation which is having linear polynomial, or the equation in which the degree of the variable is 1. Degree means highest power of the variable is 1. So then it is called as a linear equation. So we are telling that linear equation, we are telling that 3x minus 2 equal to 7. 3x minus 2 equals to 7. So here x is there. X is an unknown value. So we have to find that x. So the solution of x, or if we keep what value in the x, then this left side part LHS will be equal to right side part RHS. That value of x is called solution of linear equation. Means solution of linear equation means a value of the variable which, when substituted for the variable in an equation, makes LHS, means left hand side value, equal to RHS, right hand side value. Our equation is said to be satisfied. That is called solution of linear equation or root of the equation. Or value of the variable which satisfies the given equation. So whenever we have a linear equation, there we have to find the solution of the linear equation. Means we have to find value of the variable. Next, here we have to follow some rules for solving linear equations in one variable. 3x minus 2 equals to 7 is an linear equation in one variable x. For solving this kind of linear equation, we have to follow some rules. Rule 1. Same quantity or same number can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality. Now, if I want to find the value of x here, 3x minus 2 equals to 7. If I want to find x, this minus 2 I want to remove. This minus 2 we want to remove. For removing minus 2, what we can do? Opposite to that, plus 2 we can add on both sides. So the value of equality does not change us. If same number, if we add on both sides of equation, the equality does not change us. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. 3x equals to 9. Like that we are getting. Okay. Same number can be added. Or if I have x plus 2 equals to 5, we want to find x value. Plus 2 we want to remove. What we can do? Opposite to that, minus 2 means same number we have subtracted. Then 2 cancel. X equal to 5 minus 2, 3 we are getting. So same quantity can be subtracted from both sides. Here both sides means what? LHS, RHS. Left hand side, right hand side. These two are considered as both sides. So without changing the equality, we can subtract same number. Or 1 minute. Or suppose if I have x by 3 equals to 7. So we want to remove by 3. What we can do? With the 3 we can multiply on both sides. With 3 we can multiply on both sides. 3 cancel. X equals to 7 3 times 21. With same number we can multiply on both sides, but same number to be non-zero number. Both sides of an equation may be multiplied by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. Or if I have 3x equals to 9, so then with same number we have to divide. So then 3 cancel. X equal to 3 times 9. So both sides of equation may be divided by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. Okay. So we have 4 rules. Rule 1, same number can be added. Rule 2, same number can be subtracted. Rule 3, same number can be multiplied. But which number? Non-zero number. Rule 4, same number can be divided. But which number? Non-zero number. Like that, before solving linear equations, these 4 rules we have to keep in mind. If we follow these 4 rules, we can easily get the solution for an linear equation. So next. So here, first method, first type of questions, some examples are there. Solving equations having variable terms on one side, numbers on other side. That type of questions we are going to solve. First example, solve the equation x plus 5 plus x by 5 plus 11 equals to 1 by 15 and check the result. So x by 5 plus 11 equal to 1 by 15. We have to find the value of x and we have to check the result. So what we have done? X by 5 plus 11 equal to what they have given, 1 by 15. 1 by 15 we have taken. So here plus 11 is there. We want to first remove this plus 11. So what we can do? Minus 11. We cannot add on LHS side and RHS side. Minus 11, minus 11. So then what happens? Minus 11 cancel. So x by 5 equals to 1 by 15 minus 11. 1 by 15 minus 11. Or x by 5 equals to. So what we can do here? 15 11 times 165. 15 into 11, 165. We can write it as 1 minus 165 by 15. So 1 minus 165 means minus 164. So minus 164 by 15. Again we have here by 5 is there. We want to remove by 5. We need x. What we can do? We can multiply with 5. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side. Both sides we can multiply with 5. So what happens? Both sides we multiply with 5 means. So here 5 gets cancelled. 5 3 times 15. So x equal to minus 164 by 3. So x equal to minus 164 by 3. So this is the solution of given equation. So how to check it? X value minus 164 by 3. If we substitute in the given equation. So answer already we have got here. Now we are checking the answer, whether it is correct or not. For checking that, what we have to do? We have to substitute x value in the LHS part. What is LHS? X by 5 plus 11 means minus 164 by 3 x value. This x by 5 can be written as x by 5 plus 11 can be written as x into 1 by 5 plus 11. Because x by 5 we can separate. X into 1 by 5 we can write. What is the value of x here? 164 by 3. 164 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 11. 3 5 times 15. Minus 164 by 15 plus 11. So what we can do here? We can do LCM. 15 into 11, 165 means, so here minus 164 plus 165 by 15 after taking LCM. In 165, 164 goes means 1 by 15. LHS we are getting 1 by 15. But RHS also 1 by 15. In the given question, 1 minute. In the given question, RHS also 1 by 15. RHS also 1 by 15. So LHS equal to RHS when we take the value of x equal to minus 164 by 3. So x equal to minus 164 by 3, it is the solution of given equation. Okay, children. Next, example 2. So solve 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2 equals to 6. So 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2 equals to 6. Here we want to find x. First, x after whatever term is there, this minus 5 by 2 to be removed. How can we remove minus 5 by 2? We can add plus 5 by 2 on both sides. Left hand side, right hand side. Adding 5 by 2 on both sides. Now 5 by 2 cancel. 1 by 3x remaining on left hand side. Right hand side, 6 plus 5 by 2 means 2 6 times 12. 12 plus 5 by 2. 12 plus 5 by 2. 12 plus 5 by 2 means 12 plus 5 by 2 means what we can write 17 by 2. Now 1 by 3x equal to 17 by 2 we got. Now we need x, this by 3 also to be removed. How can we remove by 3? Into 3, into 3, both sides. Here also into 3, here also into 3, both sides. 3 3 cancel. 1 into x, x. 3 17 times 51. 51 by 2. Multiplying on both sides by 2. So x equal to 51 by 2 is the solution of the given equation. We have got the answer. But is it true or wrong, false? We can check it. We can check it by substituting x equal to 51 by 2 in the equation. In the equation means equation is having two parts, LHS, RHS. So in LHS, what is LHS? 1 by 3x minus 5 by 2. What is RHS? 6. LHS, 1 by 3x. 1 by 3 into, in the place of x, we will keep 51 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So okay, 3 17s, 51. So it will become 17 by 2. This total will become 317 51 means 17 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Or we can write 17 minus 5 by 2. 17 minus 5, 12 by 2. 2 6 times 12. LHS we are getting 6. RHS also 6. LHS equal to RHS when x equal to 51 by 2. So this is the correct solution. This is the correct solution. Like that we can cross check. Next, solve x by 2 minus x by 3 equals to 8. So let's simplify this. X by 2 minus x by 3 equals to 8. LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3. Here x by 2 minus x by 3 equals to 8 we are having. Equals to 8. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. 2 3 times 6 into numerator x. 3 2 times 6 into numerator x equals to 8. So we can write 3x minus 2 into x, 2x. 2x. This 6 will go that side. 6 into 8. Or 3x minus 2x equals to x. 6 8 times 48. 6 8 times 48. We got x equal to 48. So how to cross check it? Substituting x equal to 48 in the given equation. What is means LHS, RHS. What is LHS? X by 2 minus x by 3. What is RHS? 8. So LHS, x value 48 we will keep, 48 we will keep. 48 by 2, 24. 48 by 3, 16. 28 minus 16, 8. LHS 8 getting, RHS also 8. LHS equal to RHS for x equal to 48. So x equal to 48 is the solution of the given equation or root of the given equation. Root of the given equation. Next. Fourth one. So solve x by 2 plus x by 3 minus x by 4 equals to 7. We have to simplify this. 2, 3, 4. What they have given? X by 2 plus x by 3 minus x by 4 equals to 7. So right hand side no need. Left hand side we have to simplify. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. If we do LCM, 2 1 is 2, 3, 2 2 times 4. 2 3 times 6, 6 2 times 12. LCM is 12. 2 6 times 12 into numerator x. 3 4 times 12 into numerator x. 4 3 times 12 into numerator x. 6 into x, 6x. 4 into x, 4x. 3 into x, 3x. This 12 will go that side. If that side 7 is there, 12 into 7 or 7 into 12. 6x plus 4x, 10x. Minus 3x, 7x equal to 7 into 12. Both sides 7 cancel. Or we can multiply. 7x equal to 84. 7 12s are 84. To cancel 7, both sides we have to divide by 7. 7 7 cancel. 7 12s are 84. X equal to 12 we are getting. X equal to 12 we are getting. How to cross check it? How to cross check it? Substituting x equal to 12 in the given equation. LHS, x by 12, x by 2, x place 12 we are keeping, plus x by 3, x place 12 we are keeping, minus x by 4, in the place of x, 12 we are keeping. 2 6 times 12, 3 4 times 12, 4 3 times 12, 6 plus 4 minus 3, 6 plus 4 10, minus 3 7. LHS we have got 7. RHS also 7. LHS equal to RHS when x equal to 12. So x equal to 12 is the solution. Solution of the given equation. Solution of the given equation. Next. Solve y minus 1 by 3 minus y minus 2 by 4 equals to 1. So here y minus 1 by 3 minus y minus 2 by 4 equals to 1. Here LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. 3 4 times 12, 4 into numerator y minus 1 minus 4 3 times 12, 3 into numerator y minus 2 equals to 1. 4 into y, 4y, 4 into 1, 4, minus of 3 into y, 3y. Because of minus, middle symbol will change. It will become plus 3 2 times 6 equals to, this 12 will go this side, 12 into 1, 12 into 1. So 4y minus 4 minus 3y plus 6 equal to 12. 3y, 4y minus 3y. Y's we will write in group. Remaining numbers we will write separate. 12. 4y minus 3y, y. Minus 4 plus 6, 2 equal to 12. Y plus 2 equal to 12. So continuation. Y plus 2. To remove 2, we have to subtract minus 2 on both sides. Subtracting 2 from both sides. Then what we will get? Y equals to 10. So y equals to 10 is the solution of the given equation. Solution of the given equation. So check. So next we have to check it. So substituting y equal to 10 in given equation. LHS, y minus 1, 10 minus 1 by 3. Y minus 2, 10 minus 2 by 3. So 10 minus 1 by 3 means 9 by 3. 10 minus 2 by 3 means 8. Sorry, it is 4 actually, not 3. 10 minus 2 by 4 means 8 by 4. 3 times 9. 4 2 times 8. 3 minus 2, 1. RHS also 1. So LHS equal to RHS for y equals to 10. So y equals to 10 is the solution of the given equation. Solution of the given equation. Solution of the given equation. Okay children, what we have learned today? So in linear equations, what is an equation? What is a linear equation? What is the solution of linear equation? Rules for solving linear equations. Regarding that concepts we have learned, and we have discussed some example problems based on solving equations having variable on one side, numbers on other side. Based on that, example 1, example 2, 5 examples we have discussed. For each example, we have checked the answer by substituting the value in LHS and RHS. So we have checked the answer also, so that it will be confirmed the answer is correct or not. Okay children, so that's all for today. So thank you for watching our video. So please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you. Have a good day.